Our motoring tip of the week concerns just how the safety systems engineered into a car could possibly save your life. Now, we're looking at a Honda Civic here that's being subject to a front offset collision. So this car was run into an object at 64 kilometers an hour, offset in the front left corner. So right in front of the driver of the vehicle. So the damage to this car is concentrated right in front of the driver. You can see how devastated the car is. It's completely ruined at the front left corner here. But when you go back to the passenger compartment, it's virtually intact. The airbags have deployed, but when you look inside the passenger compartment, it is completely survivable in terms of a collision. So all the engineering going into the car, the crumple zones, all kinds of things that go on behind the scenes that you and I aren't privy to, we don't see them. We don't see them in the everyday use of the car, but there's all kinds of things in that car that have been designed to destroy, crush in a collision, to reduce the amount of energy that will be transmitted to you as an occupant of the car. So the car's not fixable, that's a given. In fact, it takes nothing these days to write off a car, but the car might actually save your life. So you can see how damaged it is, but it's still very intact. And all it takes for this type of collision is distracted driving, which we're all trying to eliminate. Somebody looks down and plays with their cell phone, or takes a call, does whatever, reaches for something they shouldn't in the car, and that's all it takes for this kind of collision. And this is an extremely common type of a collision, and this car could potentially save your life. That's your motoring tip of the week.